Hi friends, today I will tell about A to Z alphabets in English. So let's start.
Wow!
Letter A. A is for apple. Letter B. B is for ball. Letter C. C is for cat. Letter D. D is for duck. Letter E. E is for elephant. Letter F. F for fish. Letter G. G is for grapes. Letter H. H for honeybee. Letter I. I is for igloo. Letter J. J is for jellyfish. Letter K. K is for kangaroo. Letter L. L is for lamb. Letter M. M is for monkey. Letter N. N is for nuts. Letter O. O is for owl. Letter P. P is for pigeon. Letter Q. Q is for queen. Letter R. R is for rabbit. Letter S. S for sunflower. Letter T. T is for tiger. Letter U. U is for umbrella. Letter V. V is for violin. Letter W. W is for watermelon. Letter X. X for Xmas tree. Letter Y. Y is for yo-yo. Letter Z. Zebra. So friends, subscribe my channel.